Vibe. All right. First live, 2023. Big up everybody who are rolling the movement. Yeah. Welcome. Happy New Year. First time I see you guys. Little bit early up on the Sunday. As I said that I wanted to move out the stream a little bit early on the Sunday. You know, to accommodate my family a little better. You understand? You don't know we are family man, so we just really have to just adjust the life to really deal with that. You get me? So drop some comments in our chat. Let me know. All right, how is your guys' Christmas? How is your guys' New Year? You get me? What type of charts you want to look at? You know what I mean? What type of vibe you want to hold and all of that. So just let me know. All right, so just like a whole of vibe. All right, keep it short and spicy and simple. You understand? And we're just going to go through this thing bit by bit. You get me? So let's just hold a vibe, all right? So let's kick it off. GJ, you know we have to start at the GJ. Hold on a sec. All right. You know we have to start at the GJ and all of that. I love my peer. All right. So just speak up everybody with up on the live. Yeah. Y'all know the vibe, guard. Just drop some comments in the chat, right? To let me know what type of charts you want to see. Any general question. If you're first time on the live, you can just ask any general question. Doesn't really matter what the question is, right? You can just ask any general question. We hear that's the whole of it. All right, don't be shy. All right, vibe. So we on GJ. All right. So things simple for GJ. For this week, yeah, we are looking to like fill this range right here. Yeah, we're looking to fill this range. So this range is about 370 pips. So that's the range that we're looking to fill for this week on GJ, right? So we're looking for GJ to go up. Why are we looking for GJ to go up? So looking from the daily time frame, right? If you notice that price was making lower highs and lower lows, right? When it came here and tried to go back down to make that lower low, notice that it failed to create that lower low and it started to create support. How do we know that support is created? Right? So the anatomy of how a support is created is that you must see price come down with a red candle, then afterwards a bullish candle. So let me repeat. You must see price come down with a bearish candle on the zone, and then a bullish candle close, right? So you must have two close. One bearish first, then bullish after. All right, this phone is so disturbing. All right, so you must have a bearish first, then a bullish after. So, and the candle must close. Is at that point you know that support has been formed, and vice versa with resistance, right? You must have a bullish close first, then a bearish close, and at that point you know that resistance has been formed. Yeah. So for GJ, we see support form here on the daily. Yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do, I think I can adjust this a bit. All right, to show the support that has been formed on the daily. So support has formed on the daily, right? Price failed to come down back right here to form a lower low. So definition of a downtrend is a series of lower highs and lower lows. So if you notice here, when it came up here to make this lower high, notice that this bearish candle on the daily, right, it broke the low of that bullish candle to further continue down to form that low, right? So notice here now with this bearish candle, notice it did not break this low right here to continue down to make that lower low. It did not break it, and then now have a bullish close, right? So you have a bullish close. Notice now the bullish close now, it's this low is higher than this one, right? So this low higher than this one, creating higher highs and higher lows. You follow me? So what we want to see now to continue up now for confirmation, right? So let me show you guys. Bam. This high right here on the previous day now, we want price now to break here. Once we get a break of 160.086, then we're definitely looking for buys to fill this range right here. So all right, so looking for buys from about here to fill this range. So as I say, roughly about 345 pips thereabouts. So that's the range that we're looking at. So now that you get it right there now off the daily time frame, what we're doing, all right, let's bring it down now to the lower time frames. All right, so bam, coming down. So what we want to see now, see we have the zone that the 160.086, that zone. So what we want to see right here, just looking off probably the H1 just to keep it safe, right? We want to see a shift, retest, higher low, confirming the basic or trading for uptrend, and then you could look for your buys to continue up. All right, so though the range is 345 pip, traders and traders, that doesn't mean that you have to sit and hold it for the entire 345 pips. You could take like 50 pips or 100 pips, whatever that works for you, 30 pips, whatever that works for you. You get what I'm saying? But this is what we're looking to do. We're looking for a buying confirmation of a shift retest higher low at 160.086. So ensure that you make it go up, shift, retest higher low, confirming the basic or trading for uptrend. Once it comes down, you want to see some form of wick rejection at the bottom. All right, you want to see those wick rejection at this zone right here, like how you see the wick rejections right here. Yeah, this is what the rejections look like. Want to see those type of rejections right here, then you know it's time now to go up now for the buy. All right, so that's what we're looking at. All right, the risk to reward is going to be like crazy on this one. So that's the move for the week on GJ. Yeah. All right, so just holding our vibe. Let's look at gold. All right, so I'm just taking on the stuff that I trade first. Then after that, I can just vibe out with you guys, right? All right, gold. All right, so it's clear as day. That's why we're on the daily chart. Get it? All right, so clear as day. All right, we're in an uptrend. All right, we're in an uptrend on gold. We're in an uptrend. So what we want to look for now, we want to look to continue now to fill this range. So I'd mark out this range for you guys from here. All right, so let me work out that and tell you guys. Let me use a horizontal bar. So from, where is it? Let me use another horizontal bar here so you guys could get the zones properly. So between 1863.8 to 1914.75, right? That's the range that we're looking to play gold for the week. You get me? So this range is about 4,600 points. You get me? So that's the range that we're looking for on gold. So why are we looking for that now? So let me break it down. Why we're looking for that? So notice now, right? Unlike GJ, notice that this daily candle now has broke the bearish high and also the previous bullish high. You get me? So it made a higher high. So what we want to do now, being that it made that higher high, we want some form of retracement, right? To create that higher low, then look to continue up. So we can go down now on the smaller time frames now to look for that type of retracement. You get me? At the H1, right? So bomb to start the week is one out of two things. Either we're going to get a continued retracement to here, thereabout, right? And then just going to look for the buy. Right as the retracement finish, right? We're going to look for buys to continue up. How do we know that when the retracement is finished? All right. So bomb, price must come down, right? Start to see some form of rejection. Then you want to see support form. Right, I just explain how do you know when support form, right? You're gonna see a bearish candle with some form of rejection at the bottom, and then you're going to see a bullish candle. So what do I mean see a bullish candle? The bullish candle must be closed, right? So you want to when the bearish candle close first, right? Then the bullish candle close, right? Creating some form of a higher high, right? Once you see that, then you know that it's confirmation now for you to enter on the next candle going up. All right, simple as that. So that's what we're looking for on gold. All right, so if you guys have any charts that you want me to look at, you could just let me know. All right, so blaze it up. So looking for buys on gold from here to here, and that's between 1863.8 to 1914.7. All right. All right, so let me scroll through. All right, so look at GJ, we'll look at gold. Let me see what else we can look at that people like to trade. We have GU, EU. All right, I know a lot of people vibe on AU. It's a very simple pair. So let's take a look at AU. All right, and if I don't get any requests of what to mark up, this is gonna be the last one, right? Because I said this is your life, it's not my life, right? All right, so watch me now. All right, AU. All right, so we have support there, yeah, and we also have resistance here. All right, so we have our next range about here now. All right, should I? Oh, let me use. I don't want to use this, guys. Let me use this. Just remember that I should not use. All right, so I like to use. Let me hope this then for that. The reason why I always using rectangular and not the line is because support and resistance is not a line. It's a zone. It's a area like this. So whenever I do that on the daily and like drop time frames, right? Drop time frames or and so on, go down to like 50. You get me? So that's support, right? So support and resistance is not a it's not a line. It's not a line like that. It's a zone, right? It's a zone. So follow me now. Let's go back up to here. But what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put a line in between the zone, in the middle of the zone, so guys could pick up the errors, right? And like jot it down, like mark it down on your notes or on your personal chart, so you could know the error that I'm looking at. So it's 0.7326. All right, so that's the error I'm looking at. On the resistant era, we're looking at 0.68716. You get me? And the range that we could possibly move to, right, is 0.700. Yeah. But this resistance right here, right? Price is not just going to break through it, because notice that this is the impulse move, right? So this is the impulse, right? So if we want to continue up, we can't enter on an impulse, right? We have to enter when the bus stops, we have to enter when the train stops, and that it stops on a retracement with rejection, creating a higher low. Then we're going to look to catch the bus from right there, right? So it's simple as that. So what we want to do now, we want to like create some smaller zones, right? So we want to create some smaller zones. We could look at it off the H4, right? So I put a different color for you guys, right? Create some smaller zone. All right, we could look at here off the H1. Yeah, I like this zone right here. All right, so now you have to assess the retracement, right? So the retracement could stop right here. It could also stop here. Yeah. So let me put some lines again for you guys. So 68360, or it could come all the way down here on the retracement. Yeah. So for AU, you could do like one out of two things. Yeah. You could like make a back off the retracement right here. You could make a back off the retracements. Now they're about 40 pips, or if it comes down here, 60 pips. But I would play safe about here. They're about 40 pips. You get me? You could make a back off the retracement, or you could play it safe, right? Wait for price to retrace, right? And then now look to continue up. Yeah. So when we're looking to continue up now to fill this range, we're looking at something like 160 pips, right? That's a lot of bug right there. Yeah. So as I said, what we want to do, yeah, we want price to retrace, right? Create some form of rejections, create support, right? Bearish candle close, followed by a bullish candle close. Once you see that support created here with rejections, yeah, showing some form of seller's exhaustion coming down, yeah. At that point now, you could look for your buys to continue up. Yeah. And remember that you don't must have to try to hold it for the entire 160 pips. You could just take profit at will, whatever you feel like. It's 50 pips. If you feel for 100 pips, 30 pips, just ensure that you're getting a proper risk to reward. Ensuring that whatever you're risking, right, the reward is greater, right? The reward should be like 1 to 2 or greater. You follow me? Say if you're risking like 20 pips, you should be looking to go in for 40 pips. Or you could go for 1 to 3, risking 20 pips or so on. You could look to go for 60 pips, or 1 to 5, risking 20 pips, thereabouts, right? You're looking to go for 100 pips, yeah? But ensure that it's 1 to 2 or greater. Also ensure that you use your risk calculator. Looking at the link in the description, you're going to see a recommendation for the risk calculator that I use, right? So that's it, what I'm looking for. AU, we don't really have any suggestions for any charts. So right here is where I'm going to end the live, unless there's some form of suggestion for charts, because I said this is your guys' live, right? So you guys just really have to vibe out. You follow me? So just big up everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next Sunday. Straight balling, no stalling. I'm out. Bye guys.